In this session, we're going to cover some of the reports that are available to you for taxes. So from my home ribbon, we're going to go to Reports, and we're going to go to All Reports. Underneath All Reports, you're going to see a section at the bottom called Tax. And in here, you're going to see several tax reports that are available to you. You have an exemption contact list here. So if you double click it, hit execute, it'll give you a list of everybody that's set up to be exempt from sales taxes. And it'll give you their exemption numbers and what tax they're exempt from. Tax line summary. Let's go set this up so we can see a little bit more in here. We look at month to date. We can pick whichever tax we want to look at. We're going to look at state sales tax. We're going to hit execute. There's tax collections, any discounts that we've put in, tax liabilities, what's been filed and what's still outstanding. Tax remittance list. Again, we'll go look at a little bit more time frame here. Let's look at year to date. Look at quarter. State sales tax. What's been paid so far. If I click the line, I can right click on this one and drill down, get my details. This is everything that we paid on that remittance. We have a transaction list. Let's go look at some time frame here. Tax collections, invoices, what they are. Now this filed column here, I'm going to tell you exactly what's been collected and filed. In other words, what's been remitted and what hasn't been. Transaction summary. Execute. There's a transaction summary here. Now if I right click on this, I can drill down, get tax line details or the transactions. Shows you what's been filed already, what's still outstanding to be paid or remitted. And then your taxable sales summary. Let's go look at that. Now when you're looking at this, let me execute. The thing is you want to know what's been collected. So you'll notice there's a couple tabs here. There's tax 1 and tax 2. So if I put in, I'm looking for my state sales tax and my battery tax. I want to pull up both. I execute it. So it's going to give me each individual invoice. What's been parts, labor, it breaks it down to sublet, total taxable. And then you're going to see right here, here's these two columns, tax collection collected 1 and 2. So there's your, what's been collected, and it even lets you know if anybody's exempt here on any of these sales. Here's where I did the battery one, the very last one. Now remember, all of these reports that are back here, they are just basic Excel, so you can customize them as needed. You can print, you can PDF, you can email, export to Excel. You have a column chooser if you want to pick off columns you don't need to see. You got a summary. You can sort, group, filter. You can copy and paste out to another Excel spreadsheet. So back here is where you're going to find all of your tax reports.